Hey, in this video, we'll show you how to add more data quality tests via your Git-backed pipeline. So you're seeing Orchestra here. We have a pipeline that is connected to this file that you see in VS Code. And we want to add some more data quality tests. We could write those manually, or we can get Copilot to do it. Here you can see I'm typing in generate 5 more data quality tests on the YAML. They must be on these tables, test 2, test 3, etc., ensuring that they are in the same task group. If I hit enter, that will then run, and that should produce 5 more data quality tests. You can see that they are running on different tables with different expressions here, and it's gone and written them like so, and we've got 5 here. Adding data quality tests to your Orchestra pipeline is straightforward, especially if you have an AI tool in your IDE. For example, I'll take the YAML file, and I'm going to ask Copilot to add some more data quality tests to my Snowflake table. So I'm going to ask it to generate 4 more data quality tests on this YAML. We're going to check for any new data in the last 15 minutes, treat the failure as warning, checking for no nulls on a certain column, checking for any unusual values in this column address, checking that the row count for yesterday was greater than 1,000. I'm going to submit that to Copilot, and it's going to do its magic. You can see that it's now started to add some of these tests. You can see the SQL that's written. I'm going to accept this with the different expressions. Select count star from test where ID is null, or some pattern, etc. So I'll accept that and save. I'll say add data quality tests. And I'm going to push that to the main branch. If I go back to Orchestra now and refresh the page, you'll see that then we now have 6 data quality tests in here, all automatically added by Copilot. I can now run this, and that will run the 6 data quality tests on Snowflake with the 6 tasks in there.